The books are at the beginning of all things. There was once a place called Alexandria. A great library was there, and in this library was ancient scrolls, all kinds of metaphysical knowledge, historical truths, and things we can't even comprehend about science and metaphysics, still yet to be rediscovered. This library was burned and all of this text lost at the beginning of our new age. It was replaced by a new grimoire that set a new time with the printing press. That technology allowed books to be produced at a faster rate than ever, and the first book to produce, and still the highest volume book ever produced, you guessed it, is the Bible. These metaphysical philosophies that are in these grimoires have always shaped our time and still do today.